Thanks for tuning in. Today we will break down everything you need to know about Smart Affiliate Writer. Smart Affiliate Writer is a Google Sheets automation tool designed to streamline the creation of affiliate content directly within Google Sheets. It leverages AI to generate high quality articles, product reviews, and comparison posts complete with affiliate links and SEO optimization. So let's get started. So this is the main interface that you would be introduced to. This is the affiliate content generator dashboard. Here you will find some quick instructions that you can use to get started, like import products, generate content, and view results. Then below you will find some subsheets, and on top you will find this tool menu where you will find settings to update API keys, tools that you can use, and a help section as well. In the settings subsheet, you will have to update your API keys. So we will be starting with diffbot API key for web scraping. For this, go to diffbot and here basically start with a free account. When you make a free account on this, you get 10,000 credits for free. So once you make an account on diffbot, you simply go to your settings, and once you go to your settings, you fetch your API key and you simply paste that into your Google Sheet. Like this, I would go to my tokens in the settings menu and I would simply copy this API key from here and I would paste this in my Smart Affiliate Writer sheet. So once this is ready, we would again need an API key for the AI platform. So for this, we would be using OpenRouter. You can use OpenAI as well. There are a lot of options to choose from. So here I would be using Mini 4.0, and for this I would be using OpenRouter. So this is my OpenRouter API key. You can again get this from the OpenRouter website itself. I would be pasting it right here so that we can start using it right away. Now this is our product subsheet. Here we will simply be adding the links to the products so that we can extract data for them. So we would be using Amazon for this example, and I would be using monitors. So I would be searching for monitors and I would be pasting in 3 links here that we want to scrape. So as you can see, I have pasted in 3 URLs here. Now we simply need to generate all of the information around these. So I would click on Affiliate Writer and I would click on Import Data. Now it is going to run the script for us and it is going to give us all of this data using these URLs. In the meantime, this is the content generator subsheet. Here you can select the content type that you want to generate around the article. You simply need to paste the link around the article and you can generate a lot of content around this. So this is what we would be using once our products are done scraping. Here in the products, I'm going to add in monitor so that this would turn into a product category which we would be using later on. This is our template subsheet. This is where we have prompt templates. These are what are used when we want to create AI generated content around these. So these are some things that you can also change, but these are all pre-created so that you can start using them right away. Along with this, our products are all created. They have their brand, product description, current price, original price, their stock availability, and all such data written here already. So now we would be using this data along with the images and everything which are in place to create content around these. Now in the product ID, I'm simply going to add in monitor, and then we would be using this data to create content around this. So in the content generator subsheet, we would simply add in the content type. So in the content type, currently I'm using a product roundup, and in the article title, I can add in a basic article title. So for this, I would be using monitors for office work or something around that. So I think best monitor for office work or for office would be a good article title that I can use. So we can use things like best monitor for office work, best monitor for video editing, or something like that. So I would be using this, and now we would be generating content around this. So I would simply click on generate content, and this would start generating the content for us. This is our history subsheet. This is where you will find history for all of the content that you generate. And along with it, there are a few things in the settings tab that you can change as well. So as you can see, this has generated the content for us, and this is basically how you use the Smart Affiliate Writer. Once this content is generated, this content can also be published to WordPress using the Smart Spreadsheet Writer. This is another tool that you can use. Also, this content will be generated based on the content templates that you can edit anytime from the template subsheet. So that was it for this video. If you need any help or if you want to contact us, you can contact us using the button on our website, or you can contact us from the menu by tapping the report issue button. That is it for this video. Thank you. Have a great day.